Alright guys, so let's follow Trust Wallet. Now you can swap directly actually. So if you click on your BNB, then you can click on swap and then swap BNB to the particular token you want to swap it to. So I have Kinka here, alright? But then if I don't have it, then I'll just copy the contract address and paste it up here. But this is the one we're going to follow, just in case. So you come to discover. You want to go through the decentralized exchange pancake, the tab. So I will not type it. Pancake, sorry. I'm really having a network issue here. I just pray that this will load faster, so this video will not be long. Alright, so you now click on this place, connect, because you want to connect wallet. So this is Trust Wallet. Click on it. Click on EVM, connect. It's connected. That's why you have your Trust Wallet here. Alright, so since you want to swap your BNB, it's still loading. It's supposed to reflect my money. Good. So since you want to swap your BNB to another token, so you click here. Now if there is no Kinka here, you go and get your contract address either from the group or from the screener. So go to any browser of your choice. This is it, and then come down here. You can see where they wrote Kinka, this one, you copy it. That's the contract address, not this, not this, but this one in the middle where Kinka is written. You copy it. Now let's go back, then paste it, and you can see Kinka is out, right? You click on it.
Oh no.
So you understand right now. Sorry, I'm in the office, so in case you hear noise and all that, give me. And it's still taking time to load, because it's supposed to reflect my token here. Now that is it. So it's going to show me the quantity of Kinka that I'm buying. You can see the quantity of Kinka that my $10 is to give me. Alright, then you now click on swap. Now I'm not going to click on swap because I'm not using my money to do this. I already have Kinka. But look at this. In case you click and it didn't go through, you click on this. This is slippage. Alright, it's already on 1%. Anything, if you click here, that means you want to now edit, probably put it on 3%, which they will tell your transaction may be front run or something. Just to try it, trigger it. Alright, preferably bring it to 0.5 normally and go ahead and make your trade. So when you click on swap, it will show you another page that will analyze everything. Understand? Where you see the gas fee you're paying for, the token you're getting in total, and then you proceed. And that's just how that is done. I think we're done. I told you can do that through normal swap. Go into your BNB, click on swap. I already said that. Come here. So let me show you. Since I have the contract address, you can see Kinka is out. You click on it. The same thing. Click on max. If you're actually buying with all your token, or you increase the amount you want, you can see this is the total amount of Kinka that it will give me. Once I continue, it will swap. I think this is even more easier and faster. The other area, you're trying to manage slippage. Thank you. It's very easy. Use Trust Wallet instead.